if you don't follow the home construction industry, you probably still know it's completely broken. So when Geoship looks at this industry, we've created a theory for change. And our theory for change is that all five of these critical problems have to be radically addressed to create meaningful and transformational change in this industry. So the first problem is sustainability. 27% of global carbon emissions comes from housing. This is more than transportation. Resiliency is the next problem. And we're seeing deca-billion-dollar disaster events that are affecting our friends and our communities. And we just saw what happened in North Carolina. We just saw what happened in Hawaii, and it's destroying our housing stock. We have an affordability crisis with housing, and this is probably the biggest issue that everyone's really aware of. And right now in the U.S., 70% of people under 35 can no longer afford a home. In California, that number is closer to 90%. People have given up hope on the dream of home ownership. We have a hidden health epidemic at home. We're seeing every year the rise of chronic disease. It's going up and up and up and up. And that's contributed by multiple places, but one place where we spend a lot of time is the home. And there's over 800 toxic chemicals found in common construction materials. On top of that, almost half of homes in the US will test positive for toxic mold that people are exposed to every single day as they spend time in their homes. And then the last issue is a huge business issue. Why are we short millions and millions of homes in this country? It's because we have an extreme shortage in housing and construction workers across the US. So this led us to think of wow, how much of an impact can we have on the world if we can create a home that's 5 times better than any home that exists on the planet, but it costs half as much? That would create transformational change. And that's why our Earth shot as a company, it's to make the best home on Earth the most affordable home on Earth.